Hey guys, Kapper here. It's January 23rd and we're in Kentucky. I'm going to give you an update on the farm, especially for our newer people, to show where we're at now and where we kind of started and came from. But before we get started, you guys are always bagging on me for having equipment. We're picking up all of Mrs. Kapper's stuff. Look at all this stuff. She just keeps hauling it out. Table saw, heavy duty horses, a workbench, big old Hercules chop saw, big old air compressor, nice skill saw here. I saw another one I put in here, another saw, big nice work light. What else? I know I saw one or two other things, but we'll see what else she's bringing out. Oh yeah, the nail gun. There's the nail gun. Here's another nail gun. Nice. I'm kind of liking all this stuff. All right, here's the new porch setup.
This is the old church pew that was in that back porch of that Kentucky house, and I want to refinish it.
Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back to this update. Today's rehab update for the Kentucky farmhouse is just going to be the exterior, but we are going to take some look backs and see some before and afters. For the interior update, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Mrs. Kapper made one not all that long ago, so I'll link that, and I'll link this playlist of our Kentucky rehab farm in the description below. So let's get back to today's update. Thanks. This was a church pew that was in the back porch of this house.
Because it's beautiful. Love the little carving on it.
And that was pretty nasty. She redid all that. A couple of old chairs we recovered from somewhere, I don't remember. Oh, they were from here? Okay.
So a little bit before picture. And I'm looking, and of course there's no outlets anywhere out here.
And then an old milk can and her homemade checkerboard. And of course, one of the last things she did was this deck. Was refinishing it. Nice, it's looking good. So here's a look at the house. It cleaned up really nicely with her power washer. Man, remember this yard where we started at? But before we get there, here's that pump. This is from Curtis's 8 acres.
Yeah, you see this, you can write it. See what's in this one. Oh, Miss Kapper, you're gonna love this find.
Uh-oh, what did you got here?
An old well, old well pump.
Nice. That's probably heavy. That's probably all iron.
Yep.
Let's get a look at that baby.
Check that out.
Oh yeah, with the stamped letters on it. There's the handle. She basically just refinished it and painted it a matte black. So that looks kind of neat. That's not the permanent spot. We just set it there for now until she can get back to it.
Hey man, this thing is packed with, uh-oh. I told you, Cat.
Oh.
I know there's some horror movie guy living in here somewhere.
Probably.
The Texas Chainsaw Guy or
That
Jason.
looked like it was sharp.
Up
Here at the end.
Uh-oh, Jason could have lived here.
Oh boy.
Or the Texas Chainsaw Guy, or I don't know. I hope you brought your pistol.
Somebody broke in here. This is,
yeah.
You probably used to have a bunch of valuable stuff in here.
Oh, I bet.
I got to go in and look at some of these
let's
tools.
See that paint. Well, his neighbor, I think his neighbor over here,
Ooh,
they were.
Yeah.
They were.
But look at this, man. Remember the big burn pile that was here with the tractor? And okay, and we're getting close to tackling this mess. I was waiting for the whole rehab to be done. We're gonna pick anything scrappable out of it and get rid of the rest. I mean, this turned out pretty nice. It's nice and open. We even got grass here to grow. We got a lot of groundhogs or moles or something. Here's the side yard.
So guys, this is the pile that fell from the roof from inside this bedroom that we just showed you guys. We're gonna go dump this.
This bush I think has to go, and she wants me to move the red steel barn over out of the yard some more. Hey, how do you like my new find? Not bad. A little worn out here, but I found it hanging on the barn door. And I'm afraid to go in there. There's all kinds of critters, but hey, we got the grass seed done. Good to go. So we got a burn pile here ready to go. So it's coming along. This place has come a long way. So this island all needs to be cleaned up by this power pole. And then I'm gonna start here. So you can barely see the first barn. We're gonna get to work. All right, start slowly peeling the barn back. Well, not the barn, but the brush. Yeah, come to find out, looks like we got somebody trespassing already. Found one set of four-wheeler tracks came down the power line, and then another one went around the gate in the front. Sugar shack's going. Who knows what's going to come running out of it. I'll see if I can kind of keep it in one piece in case Mrs. Kapper wants to pick a couple of these boards. Wow, you know, from back here it don't look half bad. You know, you just double check your foundations, and I mean, you could jack up whatever side needs to be jacked up. It looks like just this first corner, and reset that, repaint it, and you could have a building for a while. Of course, the inside is next to be cleaned out. In the last, what, 2 years or year and a half? Good progress.